See here. Example 2. Example 2. See here. How many super keys possible in the relational schema are with n attributes? See here, here R is a relational schema with n attributes a1, a2, a3 to an. Means a relational schema R with set of attributes a1, a2, a3 to an are given. Understood? And candidate keys are a1 and a2, a3. Two candidate keys are given, a1 and a2, a3. See here, a2, a3 together is a candidate key and a1 is a candidate key. a1 is a candidate key and a2, a3 together is the candidate key. Means two candidate keys are there. One candidate key is simple candidate key having only one attribute a1, and one candidate key is compound candidate key having two attributes a2 and a3. See here, a relational schema R is given. A relational schema R is given with set of attributes a1, a2, a3 to an. R is given with set of attributes a1, a2, a3 to an, means with n attributes, and candidate key is a1 and a2, a3. Means two candidate keys are there, a1 and a2, a3. Two candidate keys are there. Now it is asking that how many super keys are possible. Understood? Now see here. Suppose this is a set. This is a set of all super keys over candidate key a1. Over two candidate keys are there, a1 and a2, a3. Now the set of all possible super keys over the candidate key a1. Now suppose this is a set of all super keys possible over the candidate key a1. Over the candidate key a1. Now how many super keys are possible over the candidate key a1? We have seen earlier number of super keys possible over a candidate key is the number of subset of other attributes. Now see, what are the other attributes here? Other attributes are a2, a3 ... an. The other attributes, a1 is the candidate key and other attributes are a2, a3 ... an. Means how many subsets are possible of a set containing these elements? How many elements are there? How many elements are there? n minus 1 elements. Why? From a2 to an there are n minus 1 elements. Understood? So how many subsets are possible? 2 to the power n minus 1. 2 to the power n minus 1. And now see how many super keys are possible over the candidate key a2, a3. Now see, this is a set. This is a set. This is the set of, means see, this is a set X and this is the set Y. Now see, Y is a set of all super keys over the candidate key a2, a3. a2, a3. Now how many super keys are possible over the candidate key 8283 means how we have to calculate how many subsets are possible over a set containing other attributes. What are these other attributes? Other attributes are A1, A2, A3, except A2, A3 means after leaving A2, A3, how many other attributes are there? A1, A4, A5 to An. Means how many other attributes are there? N minus 2 other attributes are there, because there are total n attributes and this candidate key consists of 2 attributes. So there are n minus 2 other attributes. Means how many subsets are possible of a set containing n minus 2 elements? 2 to the power n minus 2. 2 to the power n minus 2 means the number of super keys possible over the candidate key A2, A3 is 2 to the power n minus 2, and the number of super keys possible over the candidate key A1 is 2 to the power n minus 1 and 2 to the power n minus 2. Understood? And now we have to find how many super keys are possible. How many super keys are possible in the relational schema R with n attributes and candidate keys A1, A2, A3. Now see if suppose R is a relation. Now suppose R is a relation with set of attributes A, B, C, D and candidate key is A and BC. And candidate key is A and BC. Now, how many super keys are possible over the candidate key A? How many super keys are possible over the candidate key A? Now, what are the other attributes after leaving A? Because A is the candidate key. B, C, D. B, C, D. Understood? Now, how many super keys are possible? Number of super keys are possible are the total number of subsets over the set containing 3 elements B, C, D is 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Means 8 super keys are possible. 8 super keys are possible over the candidate key A. What are these super keys? See. First, what are the subsets of this set? See, first subset is empty. First subset is empty. Now, when we combine candidate key A with the empty set, it will be a set containing only A. Understood? And second subset is B. We combine with candidate key A, it will be AB. Similarly, it will be AC, AD, ABC, ACT, ABD, ABCD. Now see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the super keys possible over the candidate key A. Now, how many super keys are possible over the candidate BC? If BC is the candidate key, what are the other attributes? Other attributes are A and T. And how many subsets are possible on of a set containing two elements A and D? 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Means 4 super keys. Means so 4 super keys are possible over the candidate key BC. What are these super keys? See here. What are these super keys? These we have to find all possible subsets of a set containing two elements A and D. First is the empty set. When we combine empty set with the candidate key BC, it will be a set containing two elements BC. The first is the BC. First super key is the BC. Second super key is with one element ABC. We write BCA or ABC. Order does not matter. Order does not matter. We can write BCA or ABC. Understood? Second subset is a set containing one element A. Third subset is the set containing one element D. And fourth subset is the set containing two elements AD. And now when we combine this candidate key BC with all these subsets, we will get BCD and ABCD. Understood? First, empty set combined with BC. BC set containing one element A combines with candidate key BC. ABC set containing one element D combined with candidate key BC. BCD set containing two element AD combines with candidate key BC. ABCD. Means these four are the super keys possible over the candidate key BC. Understood? And these are the super keys possible over candidate key A. Now see this ABC and ABCD. This ABC and ABCD. This ABC and ABCD. This ABC and ABCD, this ABC and ABCD. Both are common. Both are common. Means both are counted twice. Both are counted twice. See here, we can't write total super keys possible over the candidate key A and BC as 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 means 12. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Means 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. We can't write like this. Why? Because these two super keys and these two super keys are same. Means these two super keys are counted twice. So see here. This is a set X and this is a set Y. This is a set of super keys possible over candidate key A. This is a set Y is the set of super keys possible over candidate key BC. Now the number of super keys possible over candidate key A is 8. Number of super keys possible over candidate key BC is 4. Now two super keys ABC and ABCD are in both sets. In X set ABC and ABCD are there. In Y set also ABC and ABCD are there. Means these two super keys are counted twice. Understood? From where these super keys are coming? See here. This common reason, if we take these common reasons, see, in these two super keys, both candidate keys are present. In this super key, candidate key A is also present and candidate key BC is also present. In this super key, candidate key A is also present and candidate key BC is also present. So, in these common super keys, both candidate keys are present. Means, is this common reason A and BC, both candidate keys A and BC, both candidate keys, means these super keys containing both candidate key A and BC. How many these super keys are possible? The other attributes, how many other attributes are there after leaving these attributes A, B, C? 1D, 1D. So then how many subsets are possible? If one element, then 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. Understood? And what are these super keys? These super keys are first subset of this set is empty set combines with the candidate key. This means ABC, and second subset is the set containing one element D combined with this. This will be the ABCD, means ABC and ABCD, means this common region will contain ABC, ABCD, ABC and ABCD. This common region will contain. Understood? So, number of elements in X is 8, number of elements in Y is 4, 8 plus 4 minus number of elements in X intersection Y. Number of elements in X intersection Y, 2 minus 2 is equal to 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. Means 10 super keys are possible. 10 super keys are possible. What are these 10 super keys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These two, this and this has been counted in this set, has been counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. And these two we leave it. Understood? So how we get number of super keys possible over the candidate key A, number of super keys possible over the candidate key BC minus number of elements in X intersection Y, this common region 2. So 8 plus 4 minus 2, 12 minus 2, 10 super keys. So come here. See, number of elements possible over the candidate key A1 is itna, number of super keys possible over the candidate key A2, A3 is itna, and this region will contain, see, if we take both candidate keys A1 and A2, A3, then here A1, A2, A3. What are the other attributes? What are the other attributes? A4, A5, AN. These are the other attributes. And how many subsets are possible over this set containing these elements? How many elements are there? N minus 3. N minus 3. Then 2 to the power N minus 3. This region will contain N minus 3. Now see, the total number of possible super keys over the relational schema are with N attributes and candidate keys A1 and A2, A3 is number of elements in the X plus number of elements in Y minus number of elements in X intersection Y, and this is equal to number of elements in X union Y. So this implies that number of elements in X union Y is equal to number of elements in X 2 to the power N minus 1 plus number of elements is y 2 to the power n minus 2 minus number of elements in x intersection y means 2 to the power n minus 3 is equal to, if we take 2 to the power n minus 3 as common, then we will get to this place 2 to the power 2, at this place 2 to the power 1 minus 2 to the power 0. Understood? Is equal to 2 to the power n minus 3, 4 plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 5 into 2 to the power n minus 3. This is the answer. 5 into 2 to the power n minus 3 super keys are possible in the relational schema R with set of attributes A1, A2, A3 to AN and candidate keys A1 and A2, A3. Thank you.